Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to create a theater effect in Chrome browser using a free Chrome extension. It darkens the entire background and keeps only the video visible. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search the extension, turn off the lights. I already installed it. Firstly, I remove and add it again to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Now it will successfully added. Now open any video website, play a video you want, like I want this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to remove background noise from your videos for free. So let's get started. So firstly we will hear a video, dim the surrounding lights and only the video is for demo purpose only. Hey everyone, this is for demonstration. You will hear in the background there was very noise, the fan voice. Options. Go to your browser. Here you will search for. Here you can customize free online AI audio cleaner. Then go to AI voice cleaner. Here you will click on background darkness. My device. You can upload. Then go to file is in over desktop. Visual effects. This and click on open. It will uploading your file. It takes few seconds to upload it. You will see. For this you have good internet connection. Now here you will select which you want, like remove noise, game controller or mute segment. Scroll down and click on mobile phone, then click on enhance media. Here you will see it will enhancing. That's it. Now you can turn your Chrome browser into a mini movie theater for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.